Laura Cruz. Johnny, where's your mentor, your mentee?
She's over there.
She should come up.
Yes.
You have really done great with your mentor. He's always great.
Thank you, Your Honor.
So
She's-
on,
She's the third one I've had, and I've got one coming in January, another one, and she'll be with me in January also.
so awesome.
So,
You will learn so much from top to bottom about this system on the criminal side and on the civil side. He's like really a great mentor to have.
Yeah, it's definitely an information overload, but it's interesting. So.
Oh, yeah.
she learned everything in one day because that's all I know.
But I've sent some of my students to him and they always enjoy it. And they keep coming back to him. He now becomes a second parent too.
That's true.
All right. So today is the plea deadline date. So,
Your Honor, there's the district attorney's office is going to interview the complaining witness. I feel like they have some issues with the case,
mhm.
and they're going to interview her, I believe, this month in December. And I want to know if something new is going to come out of that interview that maybe will help us in one way or another. You know, compare notes and statements, etc. So I'd like to have another extension on that so that I can see what's going to happen with that. I don't want to not be fully prepared.
All right. All right, Ms. Ferguson.
Yes, ma'am.
On this case, I'm gonna need a jury trial date and a plea deadline date. So you'll be either in jury trial or you all will have reached an agreement. How long do y'all expect this trial to last?
Your Honor, from the state, maybe 2 days for a case of chief.
That's what I think also, 2 days.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, 2 days. Do not, you read my mind. I was gonna say, don't go past March. So your jury trial date and plea deadline date is gonna be March 10th.
That's my anniversary, 53rd years,
Oh.
53 years.
Oh, well,
And I'd rather be here than there.
Norman, you can't break up his marriage.
No, I've had a happy marriage.
Yeah.
Thank you, Your Honor.
So what, we were gonna give you another date.
Yes, ma'am, March the 10th, and
Oh, you're fine with March the 10th?
that's fine.
Oh, okay.
Fine.
All right. His wife will know that
Yeah.
we offered. All right, we'll see y'all March
If it
10th.
doesn't go into the evening, I'll be okay.
Okay, once y'all sign the reset form, you'll be excused.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, Samuel, Lamone. All right, today is PTD date. Has everything been signed?
Everything's been signed. He's been accepted. I had him do it again this morning, called orientation and left a message.
Okay. All right, Ms. Ferguson, I need a PTD date.
Yes, ma'am. 22nd, January 22nd.
All right, January 22nd. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused. Make sure you follow through on everything, all right? All right, just have a seat. Your attorney will bring the reset form to you. Thank you.
Let's break down what just quietly happened here. PTD, pre-trial diversion, is basically the justice system saying, we'll give you a chance to prove yourself. Charges can disappear if conditions are met. But listen closely to the judge's tone. Make sure you follow through on everything. That's not advice, that's a warning. PTD is a privilege, not a free pass. One misstep and the case comes roaring back.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes.
Gabriel Carvajal. I know. I don't know what to see. The H and the L's always throw me off. What's your last name for me, please?
Follow.
Carvalho.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay. So the H is silent.
And that thing is, you look them up on the clerk on Odyssey, they've got them under 2 different spellings, so you can't, and it's not, none of them are right.
Oh. All right. So on this case.
We were to have a,
Discovery.
yes, discovery, and we were to have an offer by today. We received an offer, which my client got it today, and he's going to consider it. And we believe we've received all the discovery. I had an inquiry on a couple of things. State got back to me, I think yesterday or the day before, that the evidence does not exist. And so, or they can't find it, whatever. So we're asking for time for my client to be able to consider the offer.
How old are you?
21.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, set this for a plea deadline date, the second week in January.
Yes, ma'am. I can do that.
All right, there you,
Is it a
that would be
Friday?
your plea deadline date. No, it's not a Friday.
Okay, that's fine.
All right, once you sign the reset form, you'll be excused. If an agreement is not reached on that day, it's going to be a quick turnaround for a jury trial. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. And I'll need an acknowledgement of discovery.
Got it.
Oh, well, pass here.
We're
Thank
on
you.
it, Jay.
We're anticipating today. I love it. All right, just have a seat. And once you sign the reset form, you're excused.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Akira Santiago.
Step out and call him.
Yeah, I don't. Oh. Akira Santiago, you'll need to show your video.
I'm sorry about that. I couldn't figure it out. There it is.
Step out and call him.
Yeah, today's the plea deadline date.
Yes, sir.
Santiago, you'll need to show your video. I don't know what she's doing, but okay.
We're still working on getting the discovery, Judge. We've got most of it, I think. Haven't had a chance to go through it. They're gonna provide us some more. We'd like to reset this for another pretrial.
Judge, so Melissa Christian was appointed on this case. He's just been retained on it. So I'm in the process of getting him the discovery. Another thing is that when this case was turned in to us, there was reference of an ancillary investigation that they did not turn discovery over on. But in talking with counsel, I did reach out to the police department prior to today and ask for that discovery. It wasn't sent over, and then I just called the detective right now. He did send me the reports associated with it, but he is still working on getting the videos. But it would either be 404 or play into a defense that he's trying to go about investigating. So I think if we could have one more discovery, but there is an offer, but I guess depending on what we receive from the police department, it may change it.
All right. Your plea deadline date, your final plea deadline date is going to be the second week in January. It would not be further extended. If an agreement is not reached, your next court date is going to be a jury trial date, and she'll need to appear in person for that jury trial date. Ms. Ferguson, I need a date, second week in January, please. All right, January 13th.
Yes, Your Honor, at 9 a.m.
Yes,
Thank you, Judge. Are we excused?
yes, thank you.
And that was the judge?
Yes,
Thank you.
January 13th, right?
yes,
Thank you, Judge.
you're welcome.
There's no problem.
Who's here on Jonathan Tavares Carter? Court is calling 2025 CR 007350 State versus Jonathan Carter. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Jeffrey Wright for the state.
Defense?
House.
And are you Mr. Carter?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, you received all discovery. Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. On this system, it has his attorney as Caitlin knows.
She's in the same firm I am, and I'm covering for her.
All right, any objections?
Mhm.
All right, did you review the document entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
I do.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Judge.
All right, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. All right, with your plea bargain agreement, this 2 years, that needs to be below the line. Because there needs to be no confusion that his receiving 2 years deferred adjudication, you all cannot agree to that. And these other conditions, that needs to be below the line.
Okay.
So if y'all want to just write that in below the line and, well, state, are you all able to just print out a sheet that's the plea bargain page, just that one sheet?
Yes.
All right, they'll print it out, so y'all need to redo this part and then you can attach it. And then the clerk can go over that with you again. But the only thing that y'all can agree on is the recommendation of whether it's deferred or not, but the length of time can't be up here. And all of these conditions that you're recommending needs to be below the line because the court sets the conditions.
This is a subtle but critical legal lesson. The attorneys can recommend deferred adjudication, but they do not control the length or the conditions. The judge does. That's why the judge is correcting the paperwork here. Deferred doesn't mean lenient. It means structured, supervised, and one mistake away from conviction. This is the court protecting the record and protecting itself.
Okay.
All right. So I'm going to give you all this. So y'all will fill out that sheet and then just approach me when you're ready. Oh, did y'all complete the certification of defendant's rights?
I'm doing it right now, Judge.
All right, thank you.
Yes.
All right, the court is calling 2015 CR 3473 State versus Rose Padilla. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state? For the defense?
Robert Valdez for the defense.
And are you Miss Padilla? You need to, okay, everybody is whispering. Why is everybody whispering? You need to speak up so the court can hear.
Yes.
All right, did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Rose Padilla who's placed on deferred adjudication for the offense of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon on September 9, 2015 for a period of 5 years and extended for a total of 5 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Judge, if I could have just.
All right. All right, we're back on the record. You may proceed.
Violation of condition number 10 in Bear County, Texas. Between the date the defendant Rose Padilla was placed on community supervision and the date of filing hereof for restitution, the defendant should have remitted $81,135.98, but has only remitted $2,504 in violation of condition number 10.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
Not true.
Violation of condition number 21, on or about the 17th day of June 2025 in Bear County, Texas, the defendant Rose Padilla did then and there call to complete GED as instructed by the court in violation of condition number 21.
How do you plead to that?
Not true.
And violation of condition number 23 in Bear County, Texas, the defendant Rose Padilla did then and there call to make payments of $100 every 2 weeks in violation of condition number 23.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
Not true.
Now we've entered dangerous territory. Multiple alleged probation violations, unpaid restitution, failure to complete GED, missed payments, and every single one is denied. That signals a contested hearing, which means evidence, testimony, and credibility battles. When restitution numbers hit 6 figures like this, judges take notice. This case just shifted from routine docket call to high-risk probation revocation.
All right. Will you all be ready to proceed on a contested hearing the second or third week in January?
Judge, you said this second week of June.
Second or third week.
Yes.
All right. Oh, we can bring it. No, I'll do it. It's fine. All right, what date?
It would be the 12th.
But it is a simple case. Okay, we'll just do it on the 12th. Unless somebody wants to do it now and have the probation officer zoom in.
Judge, the officer.
All right, we can do the contested hearing now. They'll have an officer zoom in. Everybody just have a seat.
Go back to your-